So the very first step that you want to do to be able to go ahead and stream directly to Twitch from your Xbox is on your controller. You want to go ahead and hit the home button. That's going to go ahead and bring open the dashboard here for you. You're going to want to hover over to the icon that's right before your profile picture. You're then going to scroll down to where it says live streaming, start your stream. And this is going to go ahead and ask you to go ahead and link your Twitch account. So you have the option to enter to go to twitch.tv/activate on your website, or the easiest way is to just grab your phone, open up your camera app, and then hover over the QR code and select the actual link that appears. Then where it says enter the code, you want to enter the code that they provided for you, -NDBLZZCN. You're going to select activate. That's then going to go ahead and prompt you to go ahead and get logged in and to give authorization to Twitch. I'm going to go ahead and hit authorize. That's going to go ahead and get me logged into my Twitch on my phone. And then now you can see here that if I press go back and I come right back to where it says live streaming, start your stream, you're going to see here that now I'm connected. So I can simply go ahead and go live now, but we want to go ahead and adjust some settings. That way everything is perfect. So the first thing you're going to see here that you're going to be able to modify is going to be the stream title. So if you click on that, you're going to be able to update the title and put anything that you want in there. I always recommend that you utilize a title that has some curiosity or gets people excited to click on your stream. Then here you're going to see the option to be able to go ahead and manage your camera. So you select camera options. You want to make sure that you have the camera connected into your Xbox to be able to have the camera option become available. I've put a webcam in the description of this video. If you don't have one, you can buy one that's very inexpensive and has a good quality. So once you have your camera connected, you're going to have the option to decide where you want the camera to be placed. So you have the option to be able to select any one of these boxes that are here. I personally like to use the bottom left, but you can go ahead and select any option that you want. Then you can scroll down where it says more options. This is going to allow us to go ahead and modify the audio and other settings. So I'll select that there, and you're going to see here that the top part is pretty much grayed out. So once you're inside of a party with your friends, you want to make sure you come here and toggle on party audio on, so that way your friends' audios can come through directly in the stream, and then you're able to adjust the game volume and the microphone volume. So that settings there are going to be for the party. Now this is going to be very important right here, where it says change resolution and bitrate. You want to make sure that you can select 1080p 6000 kbps. This is going to give you the best quality possible on your stream. If you do see some kind of lag, just drop it down to 1080p 4000. If you're still lagging, drop it down a little bit more, but I recommend you start at 1080p 6000 to get the best look. Then the adjust overlay. So this is going to be a little icon that you can see here that has a little record button, a microphone, and a camera. Now, based on the game that you play, the top right may be the best position, but having it at the bottom right may be better. So again, you can decide where you want this to be, and you can decide if you want it transparent. Now, I personally don't care about seeing it, so what I like to do is I put transparency all the way up, and then I simply hit done. And so once you've done that there, now what you simply need to do is just press go live. It's simply that easy for you to be able to go live on Twitch. So once you hit go live, that's going to push your stream over. Now, what I want you to do is that I want you to go to the description of this video and download the free guide that I created called the Ultimate Streamer Checklist. This is going to be a checklist going to tell you what to do before you go live so you have the most success, what to do during your live so you can get people to follow you, to subscribe so you can grow, and then what to do after your live stream so that way you understand how to promote your content and how to get more people to find you. This is a must-have, so go in the description of this video to be able to download that. Now, if you want to be able to learn how to add overlays to your Xbox streams, go ahead and check out this video right here where I walk you step by step on doing just that. And I even give you free overlays that you can utilize. Click that video right there. I'll see you guys in the next video.